Hello, I am Christopher Banuelos, and I will be giving my demonstration for my monitoring bot circuits. The main idea behind my bot is that it will receive signals through sensors and then send signals to the other bots as required. My bot can also be controlled directly through an app. Um, so, so on this circuit, there's supposed to be a camera and a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth module. Those, from what I can tell, don't exist in Tinkercad. So basically, the camera movement will be simulated, obviously through the servos. Like as I push these buttons, you can tell. And also, these buttons aren't actually on the bot. This is just part of the demonstration, just to show how these servos move for the camera. But yeah, I'll start off by showing off my code. So here it is. Here are my variables. Variables for sensor timing, stuff like that. I'll just scroll down so you can see it all. Yeah, and I'm just going to start the simulation now. So for this third servo specifically, this one is connected to the soil arm. The purpose of this one, this one's going to be connected to the soil moisture probe, and it's going to be timed. As you can see, it's automated. Let me find that in the code real quick. Yeah, so it's this part right here. I put it for about every 4 seconds, but obviously in the real world, it's going to be much longer than that, like over the course of a few hours or maybe more than that. But in theory, this will go down, get the sensor readings from the soil, and then from there, it'll send signals as required. So obviously, if the soil is too dry, then it'll send a signal to the watering bot. The watering bot will go out and do what it needs to do. I kind of simulated that in here with this print right here. Plants need watering. Garden looks good. You can see that down here. Let's say if I increase the moisture on this sensor, it should change to garden looks good. Let's clear this real quick. Yep. And then if I put it down, garden will be too dry. And the arm moves. Any second now. Yep, plants need water. And also, obviously, there's a temp sensor and photo sensor. You adjust those, get different readings. Okay. So, like I said, these buttons are for demonstration. Normally, these buttons would be digital. They would be done through an app, but I'm going to use them for this demonstration here. So the actual camera on the physical model would be on a pan tilt mechanism. So basically, it can rotate both horizontally and vertically. And that's what these two servers are for right here. This is the horizontal, I believe. Yep, horizontal, and this is the vertical. Horizontal can move 180 degrees, 90 degrees in both directions from the center position. And the vertical can move 90 degrees, 45 degrees in both directions from the center position. Let me just start this and demonstrate that. Yeah, so let me see. So this moves it. So this is horizontal position. This moves it to the left. This moves it to the right. And then this moves it up. And then this moves it down. And as you can see, this is 180 degrees. So that's one way. And then obviously when I let go of the button, it just stops like it's supposed to. So 180 degrees of motion. And here's the vertical. So there's up and here's down.